Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Study with Fiza. Today I am going to share 4 amazing study tips that if you follow them then you will be able to score highest in your exams. So without further delays let's get started. Number 1. Get organize your study space. Organizing your study space will help you to concentrate on your studies and you will be able to concentrate more efficiently on your studies. Number 2. Do complete your whole task before doing studies. Before starting your studies, complete your whole task which you have to do because if you will not do this, then you will not be able to concentrate on your studies more efficiently. So, first complete your whole task before studying. Number 3. Get organized your notes. Maintain your notes with colorful pens and markers and decorate your notes. With the help of this, you will love to open and to read your notes and you will love to study. Number 4. Reward yourself. After completing your studies, reward yourself as like you want to do. So this was for today's video. Hope you like these tips. If you do, then like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for more amazing study tips. Meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.